Hi, my name is Dallas Halsey, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Canvas LTI assignment with Turnitin.com. Let's take a look. So on my screen here I have a blank assignment page and for creating an assignment in Canvas, and I'm just going to go ahead and create an assignment, and we can even put in our instructions as we normally would, make it worth however many points we want to make it. And down here, and this is where the LTI part happens, on the submission type, we're going to change this to external tool. Then we're going to click the find button, and that's going to bring up our list of LTI tools that are built in. You can see I've got quite a few of them, but we're going to scroll down to Turnitin, the LTI app. This is kind of awkward. It might help to kind of make this box bigger so you can see what's going on a little bit better there. And I'm going to check load in a new tab. There are people who prefer the assignment to be kept within the same tab and within the Canvas interface. It's really up to you, but I like it load in a new tab, so that's what we're going to do here. And if you're really interested in seeing the pros and cons of loading in a new tab or not loading in a new tab, I have a video that covers that very subject for the truly detailed-oriented Turnitin user. Okay. And now we just hit select, and we can go ahead and give our due date, 31st. We can go with 11:59 p.m. for the due date. And once I've got my due date, and if I want an available date, however you want to set your dates, you can go ahead and click save. I do not recommend using an until date, because if you use an until date, this will actually cut the students off from being able to see what they've submitted and being able to see the Turnitin interface, because they won't be able to load the LTI tool because Canvas will stop them before they get to that point. So I actually recommend that you leave the until date just open-ended. And we're going to go ahead and save and publish the assignment. And now, because I have chosen to load in a new window, in a new tab, I need to click this button to initiate the assignment in Turnitin. And there it is, Turnitin syncing the assignment settings and the points and the dates that we have set. And at this point, most of the time, most instructors are going to be done. We're done. That's it. And we can go back over here to Canvas and continue on our day. However, there are a few exceptions to that. The first time you use Turnitin is an exception, as well as anytime you want to change Turnitin's behavior, or if you want to add, for example, a peer mark assignment because you want your students to do some critique. In those situations, we're going to want to head and go to settings. And in particular, we are going to want to look at the optional settings down here. Now, like I said, the first time you use it, you definitely want to go through these. And we'll just look at the first example here. Right now it says allow late submissions. And there's a tooltip that will tell you what this means. Now I'll tell you, you probably want this set on yes. And I have it set to yes, because Turnitin's due dates are hard due dates. They're more like available until in Canvas. So if you say don't take late submissions, then at May 31st at 11:59 p.m., it's going to cut students off from submitting that assignment. So I like to have them, be able to turn it in late. And you can go through each one of these. Each one of these has a tooltip. Each one of these affects the behavior. You can add a rubric. You can do all sorts of things. But one of the reasons why you usually don't have to mess with this is because you can save the settings that you like as a default. And again, there may be a couple of situations where you want to come back to this, but most of the time you are not needing to mess with these settings, and our points and due dates and everything carry over from Canvas. Right? So there you go. It is that quick and simple, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I hope you have a good day.